This video, I'm going to show you how to claim free USDT on Trust Wallet, and what you need to do is to check in the description of this video. I'll leave you a link in the description. Now, when you click on that link, it's going to take you to this page here where it says Crypto Netra. Now, what you want to do is to scroll down, and when you scroll down, you're going to see this contract address right here. Now, you can use any of this address. Each of these address are all different tokens. Now, let me take, for example, I want to do this particular airdrop right here. Now, what I want to do is to come here and copy it, highlight it, and then copy it. And when I copy it, come to my Trust Wallet right here. I'm going to come to this icon right here and then click on it. So when I click on it, I'm going to come to the plus icon again. I'm going to click on the plus icon, and when you come, it's going to take you to this page right here. And when you come to this page, you want to make sure that you have your Ethereum network ready here. If it's not an Ethereum network, make sure you switch it to Ethereum network by clicking on it and selecting Ethereum. Now, I've actually copied my contract address, and what I want to do now is to click on paste. And when I click on paste, you're going to see that this is going to automatically detect the crypto. This is going to detect the name and the symbol of the token we are trying to claim. All right. Now, what we want to do now is to click on save right here. And when you click on save, you're going to see that actually claim that particular token, and it's over 9,000 shabby. Now, if you want to claim, now you can go ahead and claim a lot of other tokens right there, and then get to save it for yourself. This has not been listed actually, but when you can claim it until it is listed, and when it is listed, you will be able to have this as a USDT, and you have your free USDT this way. So what you want to do is keep on claiming using this same strategy that I've shown you, to keep on claiming as many of them that are out there. Now, one more thing. If you scroll down again, you're going to see this particular note right here. And this is no, they say anyone can create this kind of token. So there's no any surety that it will launch or it will be unable to swap. Just claim this free Ethereum network token and keep mining those free crypto on your phone. So it is easier for anyone to understand that anyone can create this kind of token, and you too can create this kind of token. And there's no guarantee that it can be swapped or launched anytime soon. But what you want to do is just to keep holding them and holding them like that, and probably it can be launched anytime, and you turn a millionaire or a billionaire overnight. So this is how to claim this token and also get to swap to free USDT for yourself. I hope this video is helpful and also beneficial to you. If this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click that notification bell so that whenever I post wonderful content like this, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.